Hi everyone. इसके पहले I was about to say कि I am standing between you and your lunch, but मेरा late हो गया. तो अभी I think it's I am standing between you and your sleep now. Yeah? How do I move this? मेरा नहीं है. Siddharth, जो I think जब तक slides आते हैं, broadly, this is I think the third or the fourth time मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तो जब I think Feb 2023 में तो 15-20 ideas दे दिए थे. फिर उसके बाद next year 4 ideas. फिर I think जुलाई में there was 1 idea और इस बार भी मुश्किल से एक idea ही निकला है. So that talks a lot about the market that it's becoming more and more difficult. So this was basically जुलाई में जो मैंने last time बोला था उस पर एक quick update थोड़ी मेरी लाल भी कर लूँ. So this stock हमने pick किया था and इस बार भी the framework is very similar. ये जब stock pick किया था तो this stock was at a entry valuation of around 20-21 का price to earnings था and there was a visibility that 30-35% earnings growth आएगा and that roughly played out, right? If you basically see that ये जो growth है 52% and 15% is quarter-on-quarter growth, not year-on-year growth. The only catch is ये stock का कल numbers आए and मैंने दोपहर को update किया था. तो I think the stock is down 13%, but year-on-year numbers were still okay, 20-25% growth था. So this is last year's update. इस बार का भी update, इस बार का भी, the stock is very similar, wherein, the stock is very reasonably priced. It is from a sector which is, supposed to grow at a decent rate, and the entry valuations are very attractive, right? So these are the 3 questions, right? This stock, इसने 2007 में world's oldest cable manufacturing company acquire की थी. Subsequently, after the acquisition, this became the largest listed cable company with a turnover of 900 crores. And this was also the first company to roll out lead-free wires. So, can anyone guess? No, it's not Polycab. Paramount Communication. The reason I chose this company is because, at the start of the session, जब 2 panelists थे, तो 2007 और 2008 का जो time था, वहाँ पे lot of Indian companies were acquiring companies outside India, and they were taking on a loads of debt, and एक भी acquisition I don't think had played out. Tata acquired Chorus Steel, Tata Steel acquired Chorus Steel. Similarly, this company acquired UK में एक company acquire की थी उसने. So anyways. Let's first start with the cables and wires sector, right? ये पूरे sector का size है roughly 70,000 crores, and this sector is 70% के ऊपर this sector is organized. Organized मतलब all listed professional companies के through इनका होता है काम. And this segment is poised to grow 2x the growth of India. कि अगर let's say India will grow at 7%, this entire sector will grow at 14-15%. So when the sector grows at 14-15%, assuming इसका market share नहीं गिरता है, this company can easily grow much above that, right? And जो last 1-2 साल में we are hearing कि power sector तेजी में है, real estate sector तेजी में है, तो this is a proxy. Real estate companies बोलो कि transmission cycle अगर आपको play करना है, तो सब में cables and wires is a good proxy play. जो emerging segments आ रहे हैं, India is going to 2x, 3x data centers in 3 years, right? आपका EV charger का जो theme है, सब में this sector plays out really well. And the interesting part is that 2019 तक we were net importers of cables. This has changed significantly for a lot of reasons, but now we export, and this company has around 30% to 40% revenues जो export से आते हैं. By the way, Mexico and China are the biggest exporters of cables and wires, and we are nowhere close to them. And out of the overall theme, जो transmission का जो capex है, उसमें से अगर cables and wires 15% पे grow होंगे, तो power cables उससे ज़्यादा grow होंगे, right? So let's look at the revenue profile of this company. इसका majority of the revenue comes from power cables, which is why it's very interesting कि जो sector तेजी में है, जो sector में last अगले 4-5 साल में अपने पास अच्छा visibility है. So 50 crores का इनका. So by the way, this is also very interesting. इनका अभी तक का run rate था 40-50 crores का run rate था. अभी सिर्फ in the first 6 months they have done 50 crores in power cables. And similarly, as exports में इनका 30-40% comes from exports. They are an established B2C brand in US, right? So US में they are very cautious because US में जो infra build होता है, that is built for 25, 30, 35 years. So जो product approvals वगैरह काफी stringent होते हैं. And now the brief history के company के साथ क्या हुआ था? They have 2 manufacturing facilities. 2007 में they acquired AEI cables. 2008 में जो global financial crisis हुआ, तो उसके बाद they were not able to service the debt and hence they entered the corporate debt restructuring program. उसके बाद का company के revenue started dipping, everything went really bad. 2012 में they had to sell off the company जो उन्होंने acquire की थी. And 2016 में उनका जो debt था वो जो asset reconstruction companies के through acquire हुआ था. And now in 2024 they are debt free, right? What this shows is that in spite of such difficulties, their revenues were still अच्छे से revenue, मतलब the company काम कर पा रही थी. Promoter ने खुद के 100 करोड़ इसमें infuse किए हैं. They have done multiple rounds, 3 बार fundraising किया है just to pay off the debt. In spite of all this, now the sector is in favor. जो industries को cater करते हैं वो भी favor में हैं. So this is actually a very interesting play right now. This table here shows all the competitors जो cables and wires में काम करते हैं, जिनके भी अभी quarter third के numbers आ गए हैं ना, उनको मैंने यहाँ पे डाला है. And if you see, right, KEI, Polycab are the biggest players. They have grown somewhere between 12 to 20% year on year, which is in line with what the sector is growing at, right? ये जो हमारी company है, this has grown 38% year on year. Even quarter on quarter, this is the highest growth wala company, right? And similarly, if you look at the operating margins, right, for few companies like Havells ना, cables and wires का मैंने EBIT लिया because EBITDA नहीं उन लोग report करते. So even if you see the year on year, the EBITDA growth maximum आया है Paramount में और Dynamic में, which are the smaller cable and wire companies. So this table basically क्या represent करता है कि जो सब companies ने अपने call पे बोला है कि that we are going to grow at 12 to 15%, that is being shown by the growth of the larger companies, but the smaller companies are growing at a much faster pace. Now because this company was doing loss from 2009 to 2023 तक, I think 22 तक losses में थे, they had a loss carry forward किया था. So ये जो मेरे हिसाब से जो projections है, FY24 में their tax liability was 0. FY25 से they have started paying tax, right? तो उसके वजह से आपको profit flat लग रहा है. But I think in the next 2 years, management is guided for 30% growth. तो उसके बाद if you see, right, I think this is a fantastic number. मतलब roughly around 135 crores का PAT आएगा और 200 crores, almost 2x EBITDA होगा in 2 years. And with a margin of safety because this company is at a valuation of 20, whereas all the peers, like including Polycab, KEI, सबके insane valuations है, around 50x, 60x के valuations पे चल रहे हैं. And the reason why they are so richly valued is because everybody knows this, right? कि India से wires and cables का export का share बढ़ते जा रहा है. Even the domestic segment is growing so fast. So just to summary, idea की summary basically can be cleaned up, summed up in 4 points. That ये जो the entire sector है, has a very strong tailwind. इसका export business is growing beautifully. Transmission capex में power cables are going to outgrow the industry. Our balance sheet has cleaned up. There's no debt on the balance sheet. Now, this looks very rosy, but the biggest risk is that this is this company is because export oriented company. तो ट्रम्प का अगर मन हुआ तो there can be a levy of 20% import duty on this. Let's say that railways power में slow down हो गया. Around इसका जो raw material है, PVC और copper is the biggest raw material for any cable company, right? तो अगर अभी इनफैक्ट 2 क्वार्टर पहले ये प्ले आउट हुआ था वेर इन द रॉ मटेरियल मूव्ड ऑन एक्सट्रीम साइड, सो दैट कैन बी अ बिग रिस्क. एंड लेट्स डिसाइड जो भी आपके KEI वगैरह है, इन्होंने एक्सपोर्ट्स अगर अग्रेसिवली ग्रो किया तो वो इस चीज़ का शेयर खा सकते हैं. एंड बिकॉज इट्स अ एक्सपोर्ट ड्रिवन कंपनी तो इसका वर्किंग कैपिटल इज़ यूजुअली स्ट्रेच्ड. तो जो भी फंड रेज करेंगे दैट इज अभी आई थिंक और एक फंड रेज होगा दैट विल मेनली हैपन टू हेल्प देम विद द वर्किंग कैपिटल, राइट. So जो आपका जो ट्रम्प का जो रिस्क है दैट लुक्स वेरी प्रोफाउंड, बट आई विल शो यू अ चार्ट, राइट. सो दिस इज बेसिकली हिस्ट्री रिपीटिंग इटसेल्फ, राइट. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है. नीचे जो चार्ट है दैट बेसिकली शोज के 1930 में भी 2 बहुत ही होशियार लोग थे, स्मूट और हॉली, US के लेजिस्लेटर्स. दे डिसाइडेड दैट हम भी लोकल इकोनॉमी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम इम्पोर्ट्स पे टैरिफ डालेंगे. 1930 में उन्होंने टैरिफ डाला एंड दैट वाज द स्टार्ट ऑफ द ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन एज वी नो इट, राइट. ग्लोबल ट्रेड्स कोलैप्स बाय 65%. अ वेरी नूब और अ वेरी बेसिक इकोनॉमिस्ट लाइक मी कैन से दैट ये अगर वापस होता है तो वर्ल्ड ट्रेड विल कोलैप्स और ये नहीं होना चाहिए. सो अगर ट्रम्प ने जो हाइक्स प्रपोज किए ना, दिस इज फार लार्जर देन व्हाट हैपेंड इन 1930. सो इफेक्टिवली ये कभी नहीं हो सकता ऐसे मुझे लगता है, बिकॉज अगर ये हुआ तो द इफेक्ट्स वुड बी के US खुद भी कोलैप्स हो जाएगा, राइट. एंड आई डोंट थिंक ट्रम्प वुड वांट अ लीगेसी के वो ट्रम्प छोड़ो, एलॉन मस्क वगैरह जो उसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ना, नोबडी वुड वांट अ लीगेसी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड जहाँ पे दे से दैट हमने ये किया था. सो थोड़ा होगा बट इट वोंट बी दिस चीप वेर इन ब्लैंकेट सब पे 20-25% ड्यूटीज डाल देंगे. सो जो मैंने रिस्क बताया था दैट मोस्टली विल बी मिटिगेटेड. इट वोंट बी such a big risk, right? So I think that was my idea in short.
Hello. Questions from audience? We'll take 2 because he completed his presentation before time.
As always.
Yeah.
Promoter holding has come down by 13%. Any reason for that?
Yeah, because they've done fundraising to reduce the debt.
So fundraising, they must have given an additional fund. They have raised the additional fund by issuing the equity shares, right?
Correct.
So because of that, promoter holding has come down.
Yes, correct. And in fact, they started fundraising, if I'm not wrong, from 6 or 7 rupees where the promoter participated. Then subsequently, I think 2 other fundraisers happened, last one being at 65 rupees. That fundraising mainly to dilute equity happened to pay off the debt.
Because from 63, they have come down to 49 or 50, somewhere around.
Correct. So that is mainly equity dilution by raising funds or to sell it to.
Any other question? नींद तो नहीं आ रही है ना किसी को? या स्टॉक इतना पसंद आ गया कि अभी पता है सबको कि सिद्धार्थ ने बोला है क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे ले.
बाय द वे अनलाइक मतलब मैं 4th टाइम बोल रहा हूँ तो डिस्क्लेमर्स मुझे भी लागू पड़ते हैं. आई एम नॉट अ सेबी रजिस्टर्ड. मेरा पर्सनल इसमें इंटरेस्ट है और मेरा मन हुआ तो मैं इसको कभी भी बेच सकता हूँ. सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि वो सबको पता है अभी. आई डोंट हैव टू रिपीट दैट.
सो ये मन का जो बोलते हैं ये लोग बेसिकली दिस इज अंडर द प्रेशर ऑफ सेबी, जिसकी वजह से एवरीबडी हैज टू मेक
नॉट द प्रेशर ऑफ सेबी, इवन द प्रेशर ऑफ पब्लिक. कुछ गलत हुआ तो नेक्स्ट ईयर आके मारेंगे कि तूने तो बेच दिया, मैंने रखा है.
So if you don't have questions, or maybe you can always network with Siddharth.
Yeah,
Siddharth
yeah.
is always around, so we can move to the next session. But yeah, so there is
You said that they are going to raise 100 further capital. So will they dilute their holding or they will continue with their holding?
So that is not sure कि वो खुद कितना करेंगे. So अभी तक जो भी fundraising हुआ था वो डेट को पे ऑफ करने के लिए हुआ था. But because जो growth है and because working capital cycle is elongated compared to others, तो वो working capital के लिए जो funding चाहिए उसके लिए अभी growth funding होगा basically. They have been allocated land in मध्य प्रदेश वो फैक्ट्री वगैरह बनाने के लिए. तो उनको दे नीड ग्रोथ कैपिटल नाउ.
Okay.
So growth capital के लिए how much promoters will infuse can be pure speculation right now, but I am assuming that the shareholding pattern should change significantly and more better long-term investors should enter. जो अभी के केस में थोड़ा तिगड़म है कैपिटल जो देखो ना,
हाँ वही.
तो दुबई वाले कुछ हवाले वाले सब घुस गए थे
हाँ.
एंड गवर्नमेंट ने वो अटैच कर दिया, so 1% वगैरह. But if you keep on posting such numbers, at some point serious investors will sort of look at you, and ये जो तिगड़म लोग हैं सब that will be flushed out. This is pure speculation right now, but ये valuation पे I don't know क्या गलत हो सकता है. I mean, so,
Thank you.
yeah.
So there is always a risk reward, that one needs to factor in at the time of investment. So that is what basically, obviously it's a slightly risky stock, but there is a reward, right, which is very, very high.
Yes, as Saurabh said कि उन्होंने खुद डिस्क्लेमर दे दिया है कि मुझ पे इतना भी भरोसा मत करना. ही इज़ नॉट द वन, of course. And thank you for the lovely presentation, and he has given a hints and tips for us, and that was fantastic. Please keep in mind. For felicitation of Shri Siddharth Kataria, I would like to call upon Harshad Mange for a delightful felicitation of Shri Siddharth Kataria. Round of applause, please. सभी ने अभी खाना खाया है. I want a round of applause, like I want that much कि stage vibrate करने लग गए.